Travel English at the airport. Arrive, check in, and fly with confidence. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. Steve English. I'm Mr. Steve.
Hello, I'm Miss Clara, and I am so happy to be here today.
We are very happy you are here with us. Today's topic is super important, very, very important.
Yes, because today we talk about travel English at the airport.
Exactly. We will learn how to arrive, check in, and fly with confidence.
Ooh, I like that word, confidence.
Yes, confidence means you feel strong inside. You are not afraid. You say, I can do this.
And airports can be scary sometimes.
That's true. Big buildings, many people, many signs, fast announcements. But today, we make it simple.
Simple and fun.
So if you want to speak English at the airport, if you want to travel without stress, stay with us for the next minutes.
And don't forget to like the video.
Yes, like, subscribe, and share with a friend who wants to travel.
Maybe to London?
Or New York.
Or Canada?
Anywhere in the world.
Let's go.
Chapter 1, Vocabulary Deep Dive. Okay, first, vocabulary. Important words. Listen, repeat, understand.
Train your ears.
Word number 1, airport. An airport is a big place where planes arrive and leave.
Many planes, many people, big space.
Yes, airport.
Airport.
Number 2, flight. A flight is a trip in a plane.
So if I go from Paris to New York, that is my flight.
Exactly, flight.
Flight.
Number 3, ticket. A ticket is a paper or digital document. It shows you can travel.
No ticket, no flight.
Exactly. Number 4, passport. A passport is a small book. It shows who you are and your country.
Very important. Don't forget your passport.
Please don't forget it. Number 5, check-in. To check in means to say, hello, I am here for my flight.
So you arrive at the airport, then you check in.
Yes, good. Number 6, luggage. Luggage means your bags, your suitcase.
Suitcase. That is a big bag for clothes.
Exactly, suitcase. Number 7, boarding pass. This is very important. It is a paper or digital pass. It shows your seat number and your gate.
What is a gate, Steve?
Good question. A gate is the place where you wait before you enter the plane.
So I check in, get my boarding pass, and go to the gate.
Perfect. Number 8, security. Security is a place where officers check your bags and body for safety.
They check for dangerous objects.
Yes, dangerous means not safe.
Like a knife.
Exactly. Number 9, departure. Departure means leaving.
And the opposite?
Arrival. Arrival means coming.
Departure equals go, arrival equals come.
Excellent. Number 10, delay. A delay means your flight is late.
Oh no, I don't like delays.
Nobody likes delays. Number 11, on time. On time means not late.
We like on time.
Yes. Number 12, seat. A seat is where you sit on the plane.
Window seat or aisle seat?
Good. A window seat is next to the window. An aisle seat is next to the walking space.
I like window seats.
Me too. Number 13, board. To board means to enter the plane.
So first we wait at the gate, then we board.
Yes. Number 14, landing. Landing is when the plane comes down to the ground.
The opposite of takeoff.
Yes, takeoff is when the plane goes up in the sky.
Takeoff, landing.
Very good. Number 15, customs. Customs is a place after landing. Officers check your bags.
They ask questions sometimes.
Yes, like, why are you here?
For vacation.
Perfect answer. And everything was fine. Let's repeat all together. Airport, flight, ticket, passport, check-in, luggage, boarding pass, gate, security, departure, arrival, delay, on time, seat, board, takeoff, landing, customs.
Wow, that is powerful vocabulary.
Yes, and we will use these words again and again. Chapter 2, Real-Life Scenario.
Fun!
I am the airport employee.
And I am the traveler.
Good. Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I am flying to London.
May I see your passport and ticket?
Here is my passport. Here is my ticket.
Thank you. Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put your luggage on the scale.
What is a scale?
A scale checks weight. It tells us how heavy something is.
Ah, heavy means not light.
Exactly. Your luggage is fine. Here is your boarding pass. Your seat is 14A.
Is that a window seat?
Yes, it is.
Perfect.
Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10:30.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
That was easy.
Yes, simple English, short sentences. Chapter 3, the story of our friend, Jessie.
Hi, Jessie.
Jessie traveled for the first time last year. He was nervous.
Nervous means...
Nervous means you feel worried inside.
Yes. Many students feel nervous at the airport.
Jessie arrived at the airport 3 hours early.
That is smart.
Yes. He checked in, he showed his passport, he got his boarding pass.
Did he have luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase.
Was it heavy?
Very heavy.
Oh no!
But it was okay, no problem. Then Jessie went to security. He put his phone and bag in a box.
That is important.
Yes. After security, he went to his gate. But
Oh no, what happened?
his flight had a delay.
A delay, so it was late.
Yes, he waited 1 hour.
Was he angry?
No, he listened to music. He stayed calm.
Good attitude.
Finally, he boarded the plane. The plane took off. He looked out the window.
Beautiful sky.
Yes. After landing, he went through customs. The officer asked, "Why are you here?"
What did he say?
"I am here for vacation."
Perfect answer.
And everything was fine. Chapter 4, Grammar Spotlight. Now, grammar. Simple grammar. The past tense.
Past means before, yesterday, last week.
Yes, we use past tense for finished actions. Examples: I arrived at the airport. I checked in. I showed my passport. The plane landed.
Many verbs end with ed.
Exactly. Arrived, checked, showed, waited.
Not I arrive yesterday.
No, say I arrived yesterday. Repeat. I arrived. I checked in. I waited. I boarded. The plane landed.
Simple and powerful.
Chapter 5, Interactive Practice. Now shadowing time. Repeat after me. I have a flight to London.
I have a flight to London.
Your turn. I would like a window seat.
I would like a window seat.
Good. Where is gate B12?
Where is gate B12?
Excellent. My flight is delayed.
My flight is delayed.
Very good. Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Train your mouth muscles.
Yes, speak out loud.
Today you learned airport English.
You can arrive, you can check in, you can board.
You can fly with confidence.
What is your dream country? Tell us in the comments.
And here is your secret tip.
Ooh, secret.
Don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done.
I love that.
Practice every day, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, small steps.
Small steps make big progress.
Exactly. Thank you for learning with us.
We are proud of you.
See you next time at
Mr. Steve English.
Don't forget to like
Share
and subscribe
to our channel.
for more simple English lessons.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye and safe travels.